Sorry, my microphone was off. I was saying that, ladies and gentlemen, we want to welcome you back to our channel. I am Samuel Nengon, and I'm happy to be here once more this evening in order to have this new session of learning how to trade. So, today we are going to move forward. Even though yesterday we didn't have a good time, a good days, a good training outcome, but the result wasn't bad. Yesterday we placed something like 10 trade and we just won 3. 7, almost 7 or more was negative. So today we're going to improve probably our entry. Before I move forward, I wanted to welcome also those in French since our um, channel is bilingual. Mesdames, Mesdemoiselles, Messieurs, chers traders, bienvenue une fois de plus sur notre chaîne Trade Africa. Je suis Samuel Ngon et aujourd'hui c'est une nouvelle session que nous allons avoir. Aujourd'hui c'est mardi et il est presque 19h moins 7 minutes dans le New York. Nous allons avoir une nouvelle section aujourd'hui. Hier, comme je disais, n'a pas été une bonne journée par rapport aux résultats, mais le processus n'a pas été très mal, même si peut-être j'ai pris beaucoup de trades qu'il n'en fallait pas. Alors, nous allons voir ce que nous allons améliorer. Nous pourrions améliorer aujourd'hui. Alors, nous reviendrons en français pour pouvoir expliquer certaines choses que je vais continuer à expliquer en anglais. Traders, yesterday I was saying that yesterday wasn't good. The result was very, very bad because we have more than 7 losing trade out of maybe 10 or 11. So, what I wanted to focus myself a little bit on those trades, saying that we shouldn't forget we're trading 2 markets. Those markets are the Sydney market and the Tokyo market. Worldwide, we have 2 major markets, which is the first one is London market, New York market, Tokyo market, and lastly is Sydney. And when you classify those markets according to the volume, you're going to see that the first market, which is volatile, is London session. After London session, according to the volume, we're going out to New York session. And then, second to the last is Tokyo session, and lastly is Sydney. So, based off our schedule, particularly I'm talking about myself, because I don't have a lot of time during the day. That is why I decided to trade Tokyo and Sydney session, which correspond to my own schedule, ladies and gentlemen. So this means what? It means that we're going to have low volume, low volatility, and those are the things we need to have in the market in order to make money or to lose. Because when there is liquidity, volume and volatility in the market, it makes the pairs moving, and we need the pair to move up and down in order to profit, to play the trade. So what I wanted to emphasize here is that it's like yesterday. We came here, everything was very, very, very slow. And when things are slow, it's very, very difficult, to have patience. Once you see a small movement in the market, you want to jump in. That is what happened. Just want to see a small movement like this, you jump in. You see a small movement downside, you jump in. Upside, you jump in. Because you have been waiting for a long time without seeing any movement. And that, as a result, you might have a lot of losses. So, what I want to tell you is that even though it happened that we trade like yesterday, we have a lot of losses because the market doesn't have volatility. We can understand ourselves. It happens. It happens. Maybe we gotta learn how to be more patient. When we learn how to be more patient, maybe when we will move from the evening market to go maybe to the morning session, maybe things might be improved. Or why not? Our own session might improve maybe in the month ahead. So that is what I wanted to remind us to understand, that sometimes when we lose trade, it's not because our entry wasn't good. It might because the trade lacked a volume or volatility. So today we are going to see what the market is going to give us. For example, we have our daily chart here. You see that we are still in the downtrend. We have lower, lower, and lower high, lower, lower here. Maybe today we're going to have a lower high like the other time. Who knows? But we're going to see what the market is going to give us. All our 4 pairs are in a lower, lower. We need a lower high today, probably. So we will be looking at the market from the long side. But in case it reverse, we'll follow the trend. We have no choice. So, trader disait que même s'il arrivait que quand il arrive yesterday, comme pardon, je voulais dire hier, il arrive que nous puissions avoir des pertes comme celles que nous avons eues hier, nous devons comprendre que le marché a 4 grandes, comment dirais-je, le Forex a 4 grands marchés qui sont le marché de Londres, le marché de New York, le marché de Tokyo, le marché de Sydney. Donc, le plus grand marché, c'est le marché de Londres. Après Londres vient New York. Après New York vient Tokyo et Sydney. N'oubliez pas que nous tradons les 2 derniers marchés qui sont Tokyo et Sydney. Donc, nous ne pouvons pas avoir le volume comme le volume que va produire ou bien que produisent New York et Londres. Pour cette raison, nous pourrions avoir beaucoup de pertes puisque le marché a besoin du volume. Voilà. Quand nous avons un gros volume, le marché bouge. Et quand ça bouge, ça nous donne les opportunités d'entrer et de sortir. Mais lorsque nous n'avons pas ce volume au marché, ça fait en sorte que même si nous avons pris une position qui est bonne, en ce moment, cette position peut se retourner négative. Parce qu'il n'y a personne pour pousser le marché. Donc, nous apprenons à trader dans un marché calme. Voilà. Peut-être, en usant plus de patience, en apprenant de bonnes qualités ici, nous pourrions peut-être trader en journée et nous aurons plus de possibilités d'avoir de bons résultats. Alors aujourd'hui, nous allons voir ce que le marché va nous donner. Comme vous voyez ici, nous sommes sur la descente. Alors, ça, c'est la montée qui était l'autre jour et la descente. Peut-être aujourd'hui, nous pourrons avoir une autre petite montée. Néanmoins, si le marché décide de descendre, nous suivrons la tendance. Nous n'allons pas nous imposer au marché. Voilà. Donc, je vais changer le temps ici. I'm going to change the time frame, ladies and gentlemen, because I'm on a daily chart. I can go to our 4 hours. Here we see the 4 hours chart. At our 4 hours, we see that there is nothing major here on the 4 hours. We are going to wait and see. 4 hours doesn't have much. Okay, I'm going to mark my range. When the market go out of that range, I will know what to do. That's the range where the market is moving. Okay, this one as well. I'm gonna create the range on it. And we notice here that our technical analysis, this is below the technical analysis below here, and this technical analysis here are above. So we are going to be careful and take a look of that is the range, market range. So we are going to wait and see. In a range, the market is moving. So let's wait patiently and see. Sorry. All right. I was saying that maybe we might see the upside, but here we have our technical analysis. All the lines here, the 150 simple moving average is here below. The market is trading above it. And on the GBP Japanese here, we have them above. So, and here also we have them below and here above. So let's wait patiently and see what the market is going to give us. We are very grateful for those who watch our program and subscribe to our channel. We have here our Discord server link. People who want to send us any message, they can do it. Go ahead and do it. So, and we encourage you guys to go ahead and subscribe to our channel and turn the bell, because we're here every day except Friday, Saturday. Those are the 2 days we are not here. So apart that 2 days, we are here, and we encourage you guys to join us to learn together how to trade. We're learning the skills, the very beautiful skills, which is the skill of traders. So we see how people go and look for other people to trade for them. But I don't think that is a good approach. You can learn the same skills people use to trade. You can learn them here for free. That is what we're doing here. We're spending our time to learn the market, and we're calling you guys to join us to learn the market with us. We are watching the market here, and we're going to see maybe it's going to break it down here. So let's see. Je disais que nous vous invitons à souscrire à notre chaîne afin d'apprendre à trade ensemble avec nous, traders. C'est très important. Ouais. Ne faites pas comme d'autres personnes qui donnent leur argent qu'on trade pour eux. Voilà, si quelqu'un sait faire l'argent, il ne pourra pas faire pour vous. Voilà, il ne fera pas pour vous. Donc, il faut apprendre à trade vous-même. C'est important. We are watching. Trend is coming down. So I'm preparing myself here for the short, traders. Let's see. Preparing myself to go short soon. Let's see here. We have our 4 pairs. Let me see. Watching. I'm checking US Japanese, the GBP Japanese for short. That is my first trade, ladies and gentlemen. I short US Japanese here. Took it for short. And I'm trying to go short also for Euro Japanese. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm trying to see Euro Japanese as well, in case you're watching. And US Japanese also. Trying to see which one I can go with. But Australia Japanese is good, but I'm waiting to see. We're watching. I would place my stop where you have to go above here, or at this point. So US Japanese, I'm trying to see if we don't have any pullback. So I'm in my first trade, GBP Japanese. Mon premier trade, je vais entrer dans Euro Japanese. Je suis dans Euro Japanese. Aussi US Japanese. Je vais aussi prendre aussi Australia Japanese. Trader, I'm going aggressive now. Going very aggressive at this point. So let's see. I took 4 trades at the same time, traders, because I see the way the market is behaving. I think maybe it's a good thing to do. Let's see. Watching. Let's see. Place my stop. In case it doesn't work, I will jump out. So let's see. Took my first trade, traders. Watching here. For trade, I'm in. Let's see. Let's see, US Japanese, Australia Japanese, GBP Japanese, Euro Japanese. Let's see if we're going to have continuation down. Traders. Great. Nice. We're having a continuation, hopefully gonna last. We're watching. We're watching here, traders. Japanese here is on the support already. Let's see. All right. We see a rejection. See a rejection here. Let's see. Let's see if we can have a continuation down or a pullback. I can take my stop a little bit down here. Can afford to stay above there. Like this. Let's see. Gotta also take in my this one, moving a little bit down. So let's see. That was my first trade. I think I'm already on the support. I don't know. The trade didn't move down a lot, was just small. I am in for trade, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see how they're going to work. Maybe I'm already on the resistance or the support, I mean. Maybe I gotta have my first losing trade. I don't know. So, as I said, sometimes we take a good trade. It's because there is no volume in the market. You know, we lose the trade. Sometimes we have a good entry, but the reason why we're losing the trade is not because we didn't take a good trade. It's because of maybe the lack of volume. It happens. So we shouldn't blame ourselves a lot. Gotta understand that we did what we could have done, but it's because there were not a lot of volume to keep pushing the stock down. So let's see if this kick me out here. I will be getting out of the trade, traders, because I'm approaching my stop here. This was a good trade, but it didn't. It just came here and stopped on the support. You know, it's reversing now. So let's see. If you kick me out, I'll take it. watching. Suite d'encadre trade. On va voir si ça peut continuer. Okay, I'm going to cut my trade here this time, traders. I'm out of the trade on, this is the, I cut it, it's flat, so the reason I'm cutting it because I see how the reversal. So at this point, I will try to see if I can take a long trade here and place my stop at the bottom. That's what I'm trying to do now, traders. I want to reverse my trade and place my stops at the bottom of this candle. I want to do that. I want to reverse. I'm reversing my trade. I'm reversing my trade now. So took a long now because it was a short. I saw how it didn't go through. I prefer to take the small profit I had, break even. So now I'm changing my mind now from the long to short. I mean, from the short to long. I'm going long now, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going long. So let's see. Let's see this time. Because it was about to break. It didn't break, it rejected. And I prefer to take the small profit. It was just a break even. Let's see. J'ai renversé mes trades. Traders. Maintenant, je suis en train de long. I took a long position now, traders. Let's see. Let's see. My stop is at the bottom here. My stop is at the bottom here, ladies and gentlemen. So let's see. Watching US Japanese, Australia Japanese. GBP Japanese and Euro Japanese for long. I flipped now. I was going short. It came on the support. I thought you're gonna break. It didn't break, and now I had to take a small profit or the break even. You know, and now I'm going long now. I switched my trade. Let's see. Hi Chelsea. I'm a little bit aggressive this evening. Watching the 4 pairs for long. My target is on the here above my 150 simple moving average and 200 EMA. We need it to break there and keep going up, traders. Je suis dans 4 trades à présent. Australia Japanese, US Japanese, GBP Japanese et Euro Japanese. Those trades are there. You guys can see them. Okay, place those trades on my chart. On my chart there, you can see them. Australia Japanese, US Japanese, GBP Japanese, Euro Japanese for long. Watching, traders? I'm going to place my target here, traders, that resistance. one here as well. This one here. I'm trying to place my target, my 4 target. Hopefully I'm going to get it. Australia Japanese show uptrend 4 hours. Yes, I see. I think I'm in Australia Japanese here. I'm Australia Japanese for long. Australia Japanese for long. US Japanese for long. Let's see. Having a reversal. My first trade, I had first 4 trade. I break even on the first 4 trade, and I switch the direction. If that happen now again, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to sit in my hand for a long time, and wait, because it means that there is no volume in the market. Because when the market cannot take a direction, it keep flipping up and down, it means something wrong. Yeah. Because when we took this trade, the trade will start breaking down. We took it from here. We're expecting it to continue down. It didn't continue now. It stopped. It turned around. Likewise, we took it from here. The entry point was here. And now for the uptrend, it come here, it turn around again, it starts coming down. It means that there is something wrong. We need to step away, and wait for the volume to come. So let's see. Watching trader. US Japanese for long. Let's see what this is gonna do. I'm just trying to wide it so that you guys can take a look. I'm on 4 trade for long position. Let's see. Going long. I know it's not easy to hold a winning trade, it's easy to hold a losing one, but let's fight, to hold it. Watching Japanese for long, US Japanese for long, Euro Japanese for long, GBP for long. And we have here the chart pattern we have in here is a little bit lower high, lower high. We don't know if we're going to have another lower high above the previous high, but we don't really know. Let's wait and see. Australia GBP is trying to keep pushing. Let's see. Sometimes we are on the good trade, but we don't know. I might just readjust my stop here a little bit. This one close to here. Wait and see. Watching. We are on the lower high. I don't know if we're going to have a lower now. Yep, we have a rejection from the top. Let's see. This is the lack of volume as well, as I was saying. That we need volume, but when the trade doesn't have volume, you're going to have a hard time to continue in one direction. So let's see. We have the chart pattern we have in here is lower, lower, and lower, high, lower, lower. We had a lower high here. Maybe we might have a lower, lower. It's possible. But my stop is here. If you want to get to the lower, lower, I will be stopped out. You know, I will take a loss. Those trade. Let's see. Shouldn't forget that the process of trading is the most important part. The process, even though you get stopped out, is fine. But you remember that your process is good. How are you going to know that your process is good? When you place your stop, you knew your entry point, you knew your stop, where your stop is located, and you stick to your plan. When you stick to your plan and the trade come and trigger you, it means that you're successfully, maintain your schedule. I mean, your plan, because trading is a plan. If you keep following a plan, as the time goes, respecting your plan, the money management, you have your stop in place, even though you keep taking the wrong trade, or the trade keep triggering you out. In the long run, you will become better and better and better by respecting your plan, by following your rules. It's very, very important. Don't hesitate to follow your rules and stick to your plan sometime, always. Very important. So, let's see. This push down is very, very, very important to consider, because we see the big, drawdown here. It's a red candle. It's not good, because it could have just pulled back a little bit. You can see the volume on the green candle. None of them is like this. But this one came too big, which means that there are more volume downside than upside. You can see here, this one came long but it dry. So we have more volume on the downside than on the upside. We see why we keep coming down, because the volume keep pushing down. So let's see. My stop is there. I have all my stop in place. If he come and kick me out, I will take it. That is my money management. We need the green candle to go up, because we're taking long position. We need our trade to go above and retest where it was before and break. That is what we need to see. Otherwise, we take a loss. US Australia Japanese coming to my stop. USD. It's not pleasant to see how your stop is triggered, but if it happens, you will have no choice than taking it. Was Japanese approaching my stop. I don't readjust my stop. Close to be stopped out on USA Japanese. I'm almost out of USA Japanese here, traders. We saw a small push up, but it's not enough. We need volume in the market. We need to see US Japanese breaking here, going up. Need to see breaking here, this level. Also We need to see Australia Japanese breaking here as well. So let's see. Watching our 4 pairs for long. It came too close to my stops. I don't know if it's going or it could coming back. But let's see. So Japanese coming close to my stop. Market is very difficult because when you can take a position, the trade doesn't, keep going up and down, up and down, up and down. It's very, very difficult to make money because you need the trade to take one side, a little bit longer in order to make money. Yeah. Otherwise, you gotta be difficult. You keep moving up and down, up and down, up and down. This is not something we want to see. Let's exercise patience and see. In case it keeps going like this, it doesn't work, you're forced to take a loss. Je suis toujours dans les 4 trades, mais comme vous voyez, le marché est en train d'enchaîner. Ça ne va ni en haut ni en bas. Bon, mais ça pousse vers le bas. Tantôt vous prenez pour le haut, ça se retourne. Vous prenez vers le bas, ça se retourne encore. Donc, quand c'est ainsi, c'est vraiment difficile d'avoir un gain dans le marché. Voilà, j'approche déjà mon stop. Australie japonaise. Donc le stop va m'enlever tout à l'heure parce que ça est en train de chercher moyen à descendre. Les tarifs, bon, je vais prendre la pète. Il n'y a rien que je ferai. Voilà. Market is difficult to perform. Let's see. Watching. Australia Japanese having a very hard time to do something. Maybe I'm going to get out of those trade. Yeah. Maybe I can figure out and see what going to happen. I don't know yet. Yeah, it looked like it's maybe trying to go up. Okay, this is when it tries to go up, back up, down. Very, very difficult. I need to wait and see. Give him a chance again. Need to exercise patience. Want to see this trade breaking top, technical analysis here. Want to see them going through them, Want to see them breaking through. It's not easy to hold on a winning trade, It's not easy. Because when you're already in profit, you don't want to lose that profit. You don't want to. It makes it very difficult to keep holding. But nevertheless, let's see. Because Japanese want to come down, Let's see. Was Japanese doing great? Want to see Euro Japanese as well breaking here. I'm still on the 4th traders. C'est toujours dans les 4 trades. Je sais pas ce qu'ils vont faire, mais j'attends toujours. C'est pas facile de garder, les trades, surtout quand vous êtes un peu sur profit. Pas facile. Alors on va voir. Je vais serrer le cœur et attendre. On se voit. Nous voulons voir ici, casser ici. We want to see the breakout here, traders. Even here, breakout, we want to see the breakout as well. In continuation up. This is what I want to see. And we can get it. It's possible. Because my target is here. Here my target. And take it here to my yellow line here. So let's see. This one as well. Here on the 200. So let's see. Coming back down. Let's see. Great. Great, nice. We need to see it going to our target. Great. Now I'm going to take my stop. Take it break even here. Break even as well. Place my stop break even. So let's see. Let's keep going. A break even here as well. Almost. Let's see. Let's watch. Have another push. Watching here, traders. Long. I'm still in with a 4 trade. So I sacrificed my gain, break even. In case things doesn't work, I will be out of the trade. So I sacrifice my gain, So because I want to have more. If it doesn't work, I will be out of the trade. So let's see. Keep coming down. Let's see. sometimes it happens that you are a big gain, and you sacrifice it. Happened. That is what I did here, which is not good, but I did it. It was a nice gain, but it's coming back down. It's okay. I'm holding my trade. Let's see what's going to happen. Gotta be out of the trade soon. I'm out of GBP with the loss. I mean, Australia, Japanese with the loss. I'm going to get out of the flat, flat here, traders. So I sacrificed my gain here and I went flat almost. I took a small profit because it didn't hit my profit here above. I just took a very small profit on it. I didn't lose any money. Unfortunately, things didn't work out the way I planned, but I take it. Traders take it that way. So now it's reversing now. I don't know. I gotta sit in my hand here and look carefully what to do. I'll be back, traders. I'm here, traders. I'm back here. Unfortunately, this was a beautiful trade. 4 trade I took. They were very nice. They didn't reach my target, but I was already up very well. But you know, the fact that I didn't reach my target, it came back down and triggered my. Fortunately, that I didn't allow it. I didn't allow them to trigger my stop. My stop already break even. You know, so that is how we have to trade. Sometimes when you're already in profit, you can place break even stop. Don't allow your trade to come all the way to your stop again and put you down. When you're already in profit, you readjust your stop break even, and you let it work. In case it come back, it will not take you any money. You just give them what they already give you. You know, give them back. So that is what I think. But today, still, the market doesn't take one side. You know, keep going back and forth. You know, very, very difficult like that. When it's like that, it's very, very difficult. Like here, when I place 4 hours, you see that there is nothing major. You know, so that is 4 hours of our chart. Like here, 4 hours. 4 hours, you see that there's nothing major here. If we have to trade, we have to go get out of this range. So we're coming down here with Australia. So it's coming down. I don't know if I have to flip it again, but I already took all those trades I took. I didn't lose any money on them. So I'm waiting to see. I'm still sitting here and watching trader. Je suis là, je regarde. Je ne prends plus de trade pour l'instant. Je vais d'abord voir ce que le marché fera. Watching the market and see what it's going to do next. So we had lower here, lower high, lower high, lower. We might have another lower high. So okay, Somebody asked question, why did I choose Euro Japanese, GBP, US Japanese, and maybe Australia Japanese? That is a good question. This question, I think I've already answered this question several times here. Maybe your name is Ami, right? Okay. I even tried to explain the reason, explain the reason why I'm taking those pairs often here. I was explaining when I opened this session, I was saying that, remember the market, there is the main market in the world for the Forex market. We have 4 major markets. The first big market, when we call big, is compared to the volatility, the volume, how the market moves. That is why we call the biggest market. The first biggest market is the London market, because London market, the way the volume work, pushing, is bigger than all the rest of the world. So London market is the leader, and the second market is New York market. New York market is the second one, and the third market is what? Is the Tokyo market. And the fourth market is what? Australia market. So those are the major markets in the world, by volume. It doesn't mean that the other country doesn't have the market. No, it's because their volume is lower. So the market open in different time, and they overlap. For example, Sydney market open at 5 p.m. Eastern time, and Tokyo market also open at 7 p.m. Eastern time. So based on my schedule, I don't have time during the day, because after that the London market going to open at 3 a.m. probably 3 to 2 a.m. and then the New York market open at 8. So since I don't have time, I decided to trade just 2 markets, which is Sydney and Tokyo. Sydney open at 5 p.m. and overlap with the Tokyo market. So Tokyo come and meet Sydney, at 5. Now both of them continue. So the reason why I'm taking 4 pairs every day, the same pair, is because those markets are open. Tokyo market is controlled, by Japanese, which is Japanese yen, the money of Japan. That is the reason why this Japanese yen is the leader, because that market have more volume and volatility than the Sydney. That is why all the pair here, you see that I'm taking Australia, which is Australian dollars versus Japanese, because those markets are open. But since Japanese yen is a little bit volatile than Australia, that is why I put Japanese first, everywhere on my pairs versus the pairs. So you can realize that all those 4 pairs have Japanese, because Tokyo market is open at this time. And we have in the world 4 major currencies in the world which lead this world. We have the first one is the US dollars. The second one is Euro, the euro. Everybody knows it, the money from Europe. And the third one, we have the pound, British pound. That is why I took all those major pairs and I combined them with the Japanese yen and I placed them on my chart. So to answer briefly your question, is because those are the market, Sydney and Japanese, those are the market opening now. Those are the market open at this time, and they are leading with the currencies, the major currencies in the world. So that is the reason why I'm taking those 4 pairs. Each person can take different pairs you want. You don't need to stick with those same pair, but you can take whatever you want. Just because those are the pair I kept on my screen, and I prefer to trade them. At this time, since I don't have a lot of time, we are still learning how to trade altogether. We're still learning. As long as we keep, our, how can I say, when we are going to, have these skills. Yes, this is what I want to say. When we're going to have the skills, we will be able to trade any kind of market. For example, when let's say things are improving and I find out that, okay, I can give more time to trading, I may sometime trade during the day from 8. I would wish to do that, but my job doesn't allow me because I do construction. So I need to be in my office in the morning. So that is the reason why I don't have time to trade during the day. But if I had time to do it, it could have the best things to do because there is more volume, more volatility and everything, and we need that to trade. So today, or at this time, we got to focus only on this kind of pairs at this point. But when things going to change, maybe we'll have more skills. Now we can now do a lot of other things. We can even add more things in our trading arsenal. I think maybe I try to explain myself. Hopefully, you will understand, and but if anybody have other question, you guys can ask question. I will answer. I will try to answer it my best, the best of my ability. The 4 pair are not four season. The 4 pairs are coming from the 4 market, the 2 markets, Sydney and Tokyo. Those are the 2 markets where those 4 pairs are traded. So the 2 market, this is where those 4 pairs are traded. That is why we put them. I'm saying that I took euro, the pounds, British pound, and US dollars, because those are the currencies leading the world. And I took also Australian dollars, Japanese, because those markets are open at this time. That is why, So I was planning, but I forgot to take the trade, but it's going without me. That is the same thing happening. Okay, that's fine. You're welcome. So I was supposed to take this trade here for the upside, but I was not able. It's okay. I'll wait another opportunity. There got to be plenty of opportunity in the here, and who can take each one. But at this time, we need to focus ourselves on, be patient and wait. Let's see what this is going to do. Let's see. We're already almost on the 150 and 200 simple moving average, and exponential moving average. Let's see. I want it to break here. If it break here, keep going up, I will go long. Yeah, if it break this one and go above my technical analysis, I'm going to go long on the trade. Watching here, traders. That is what I was looking for before, but I didn't get it, traders. So it's I need to wait a little bit. I need to exercise patience, more patient here, traders. All the trade I've been taking, that is a break-even trade. I never make any money on it, losing, which is great. You know, break-even is a good trade because I had the first trade, the last 4 trade I took came here, you know, and I had a very nice gain on them, but unfortunately I didn't take the reverse and kick me out. So let me see this one, traders. I want to see where it's heading. Now it's already above, but I need to wait. I need to wait and see. How long am I trading? That is another good question. I mean, you have a lot of questions, but that's fine. I like questions. I've been trading. I can say that my first time I started trading was in 2019, the end of the year of 2019. That is when I discovered trading, and from 2019 to 2024. I was trading the stock, you know, the stock market, you know, that was what I was trading. But it was very, very difficult because of my schedule. I'm a business owner and, you know, I like trading a lot. Trading is my hobby, but I didn't have time to trade. It's just during the COVID that I was trading, and then when we resumed work, I was not able to trade at all. What I can tell you guys is that I spend a lot of money to buy courses. I'm very, very educated about, I can say education about trading, but I'm not a professional trader. I can't tell you that because professional trader is different from having trading education. That is 2 things. I can teach trading, but to be a professional trader, you need to practice like we're doing right now. And that is the different things. That is why I launched this program. Because I launched it, why? Because I have to be here regularly. And by trading myself, I will become better and better and better and better. That is the reason why I launched this. But I've been trading since, I can say, you know, 2020, the end of 2019, and the start of 2020. So today is going now to, I can say, 5 years I've been trading. The cut it short. I hope my answer will help you guys. You know, I've been trading since 5 years now. I've seen a lot in the market. Yeah, but for Forex market, I can say that I just started to trade Forex was on November 2014. No, 24. I mean, November 2024 that I start trading the Forex market. So we are now maybe less than 6 months. Less than 6 months now. I'm trading. I switched from. I can't say that I switched, but I added. That is a good way to say it. I added Forex in the arsenal, because of my schedule. So maybe in the next time, maybe in the future, we're gonna add future or option or something else. But at this time, we added just Forex market, which is not bad, and allow me to spend my time in the evening when I come back from work, you know, along this program, keep doing it, because it's an opportunity because I have time now. I hope my answer going to help you, you know. So that's it. Now we cross now 150, 150, we cross it. 150 simple moving average. We keep going, and this is the resistance here. I gotta wait and see. This is the resistance, but I don't know. We are already now in 150 simple moving average. Everywhere here we are on the resistance side. So maybe we are going to take a short in case our trade now reverse. Yes, Euro Japanese is on the resistance. You're talking about Euro Japanese? Yes, Euro Japanese is on the resistance here. I'm trying also to take it for short, but before taking it for short, yes, you're right for Chelsea. You're right for the Euro Japanese for short. We can short it and place our stop above. But when you look at US Japanese, it keep going. US Japanese keep going here. So we need to be careful. And we know that when US Japanese goes like this, it might drag everything up. And we have also Australia Japanese start going down. But I need now to see a red candle before I take it for short. I need to take to see a red candle. I need to see a red candle here. US Japanese going. You need to be careful. Okay. Okay. Now we are going. Okay. You're asking me if I'm a good trader. That day in watching you when you have time, I need more explain for every trade little bit. Thank you for everything. I can tell you that I don't claim myself being a good trader. Yes, because when you see here, you see I'm taking 0.01. That is a micro lot, the smallest one. I'm not claiming myself being a professional trader, a good trader. I'm learning too. That is what I'm telling. I tell everybody. I'm here to learn, and I'm calling people to join us all together so that we can make it happen. We can learn for free. I have education. That is without any doubt. I have it. I have a lot of education because I read a lot of books. I went to school for trading, and I spent a lot of money to buy courses. A lot. So I can claim myself somebody who have education on trading, but I can't tell you that I'm a good trader. I don't claim myself being a professional trader because a professional trader is something different. You have to be profitable. You gotta trade full time. Full time. If you trade full time and you make money for living out of trading, you can call yourself a professional trader. You can call yourself a good trader. But in the meantime, I can tell you that I'm trying to apply the trading rules, what you need to become a professional trader. And we're moving in that direction. We're going to get there. We're going to become a professional trader. If we stick here every day, we do the same thing and we follow the rules, all the advice here, I'm promising you that you're going to become, we even me and you guys who want, we're going to become a professional trader, because this journey won't stop at 3 months or 5 months. Or now I just launched this one since January. Yes, that I started this January 1st. I launched this to start trading every day, and I can tell you that you are on the good track, because you came on time. This is just February, just less than a month now, second month. So if you keep watching, you keep assisting us, you keep following the rules, and all together we're going to become a professional trader. So I don't claim myself being a good trader. Yes, I'm learning trading, and I'm calling people to join us to learn, because I have tools. That is the most important part, because when you have tools to become a mechanic, or a mason or a carpenter, you have all the tools required. Okay, I'm going to go now short on those trade. First one, I'm going short on my 2 trade, the euro GBP and GBP Japanese. I'm going short there, ladies and gentlemen, and I'm trying also to go short on Australia Japanese as well. I'm trying to see if I can go short. So my stop gotta be on top here. I place my stop on top. Place my stop here above this candle, and this one as well. If I see the trade keep going down, I can't afford to go all the way far away like this. So let's see, if we see the other one start coming down, we will also short them. But at this point, I'll focus myself on the 2 trade. This is a GBP Japanese and Euro Japanese for short, and my eyes also is on the US Japanese for short. So if I see it start coming down, I will take it for a short. So now I see it's moving in the good direction, ladies and gentlemen. Let me also short US Japanese for short, ladies and gentlemen. Hopefully we will see a continuation down. Well, let's wait and see if we can have a continuation. So US Japanese for a short, GBP Japanese for short, and also in my other account here I have Euro Japanese, Euro US. It's coming down as well, but I'm not sure. Let's see. So I'm on 3 trade, ladies and gentlemen, for short. Hopefully we will have a good outcome out of those trades. Let's see. Watching them coming down. So if you guys want to learn how to trade, you don't need money. What you just need is a demo account. Don't spend money to put on the brokerage account unless you're experienced. You're experienced trader. Take your money, keep it, and go ahead and get a demo account. If you don't know where to get a demo, you might contact us. We can recommend you a good demo account, to trade with us. But in case you want to put money, just put a very small amount. of money. Don't put too much. For example, you see my account here. My account here has $300 only, or $200. I have another one, $200. Because before, when I started trading, I didn't have experience. That time I was pouring money in the market. And when you don't have experience, you pouring money in the market, you're feeding other people, other shark. That is what you're doing because you don't have experience. You will put money there. People who already have experience are going to take your money. So that is why I recommend people, this is not the time to make money. This is the time to learn. You need to learn the skill. And when you learn that skill, you already get that skill. Trader, I promise you, you're going to do whatever you want. You're going to do it. So that is the skill we're looking for. Let's build this community. Let's all together look for that skill. No matter how long they're going to take us. And once we're going to have the skills, we'll get there. What is good here is that I have experience. 5 years of trading is a lot of experience. Even though I'm not a professional trader, but I'm an experienced trader. I'm not professional, but I have experience because I've been in the market for a lot of time. So I know a lot of things, and I have a lot of education in trading. So that is what I can tell you. That is what I can, add in my response I gave before. So that we need to focus on the process, not the outcome. Don't think that you're coming to make money. You will never. Don't remove that in your mind. It's not the time to make money here. And people who have to join us don't come here to make money. We are not making money here. We're learning the skills. You understand? We're here to learn the skills, not making money. Forget about money. We're here to learn the skills. That is what we're here to do. So that is what I can remind you guys again. This trade look like it's one reverse, but let's wait and see. It's coming now against above. I didn't put my stops here on top because I couldn't afford it because it was already lower. So I couldn't afford to place my stop here above. But anyway, my stop have to remain where it is. Never ever move your stops. Those are the instructions I can give you guys here. When you already place your stop in the market, don't move it backward. You can move your stop forward, but don't move it backward. For example, you might readjust your stop to come down to your entry point, but don't readjust it backward when the trade approaching your stop to trigger. Don't do that. Don't average down. It means what? When we are in losing position, the trade go there. Don't add another position on top of it. Never add a position on the losing trade. Those are the rules a big trader, a good trader have to follow. Okay, now I might get out soon on my stops. You see how it's doing. So we are going out to the uptrend. Probably because we might go here and break here and keep going up. So it's probable. There is a probability to do that. So in case it happens, I'm going to take a loss on those trades. There's nothing I gotta do, but we will see that the process was good, even though the outcome is not, it doesn't give what we expect, but we need to focus ourselves in the process. Never ever move your stop backward. Okay, I'm approaching my stop to be stopped out soon. You can see here, that is my stop white. This is my stop. It will come. I was supposed to place my stop here above, but it's coming. Okay, I'm out of that trade with the loss. Traders. So it showed that it was about to come down, but it was just a pullback. as you can see. The pullback now going now to the stop. I already stopped out one, the second one, the third one. So now I'm going to stop out soon on the Euro Japanese. Okay, I'm stopping out a second time, and the third time I'm going to stop out as well. So that is how it works, because trading is hard. Trading is very hard. But what you have to understand is that when you have your stop, your money management, you have to know how to manage the money. It means what? Don't take the trade and hope. You have to place the stop. Okay, that is the third losing trade. That is my first losing trade this evening. So we thought this was a reversal, but you see that this reversal came, and now we see the continuation up. So what next? What next is that I need to wait and see. In case we have a breakout in continuation. We'll be willing to take a trade, but we need to wait a little bit. Let's watch and see if Euro Japanese is going to break. This day I was supposed to finish it very green this day, but my first gain, I didn't take it. I didn't take it. It was very nice gain, but I was not able to lock it up. It came back down, and I lost. Have to break even. So, but anyway, it's not bad. It's not bad to lose a trade. What is bad is to have a bad losing trade. If you took a trade and you place your risk, which is the stop, you place the stop, which is the risk. You say, okay, if you come back here, I'm going to get out of the trade, and that trade come back to you and trigger your stops. Ladies and gentlemen, you shouldn't feel too sad. You gotta accept it. The person who get triggered, the stop is triggered, and you get upset, very upset. It means what? It means that you don't accept your risk. You're just pretending, but you didn't accept that risk. As soon as you place the stop in the market, know that the trade might trigger your stops. Be ready to accept that risk inside yourself. Don't pretend. Placing the stop, and when it hit you, you start crying. You don't even accept it, because what is the reason why people move their stops? It's because they pretend. Yeah, they're pretending. Accepting the risk, but they don't. That is why when the trade approaching your stop, what people do is what? They move that stop backward. They move it because they don't accept that risk. And you will never ever become profitable trader when you don't accept your risk. You have to. It's part of the game. Losses, losing trade is good. It's okay to lose trade. You will never ever, win all trade you place in the market. For example, my other trade I took, which I'm saying that they came back down and I lost my gain. Those trades I made 4 times what I usually make, but I didn't take the profit because it didn't touch my target. So if I took that trade, that target, let's say that trade went up to my target. I could have made 10 times what I usually make. Could, could have been very nice risk reward. Maybe 6 hours or even more. That is a very good risk reward. But that could have covered all those small losses I'm making now. So that means when you take a trade, you have to place your stop. You place a stop on the market, and when that stop trigger, don't be upset. Accept it and move forward. Those are the good tips I'm giving you guys. It took me a long time, a lot of years to accept it. I'm telling you. I know many people will say, yes, I'm going to accept, or some people say, oh, it's hard. It took me a lot of years to accept this. Sometimes you say you accepted it, but you don't accept it inside your personality or yourself. You don't accept it. Yet, to know that you don't accept it is when you place the stop in the market, or you take a trade, and then the trade come back to your stop, and it stops you out. How do you feel? How do you feel that time? I know it's unpleasant. It's not a fun, but do you want to, kill yourself? Do you want to break everything? Do you want to, get out the windows, or breaking your computer? Those are the things you have to think about. All right, you see here how raw Japanese trying to break. Let's wait and see. If you break here, traders will start looking at long position here. Start looking at long. I need to place my, that is my resistance. I gotta figure out also with, if I break that line, this line, move forward, I will try to go long. Let's be patient and see. Yes, let's be patient and see if we are going to have a breakout. If we have a breakout, we might take a long, but at this point, I don't think so, because this is a very resistance area, and this is a 200 EMA, and this is a 150 SMA, and this is the 50 SMA. So those are the technical analysis above, and we have to see if you're going to break all those technical analysis and break this resistance. So let's see. And tomorrow we're going to be here at 6:45, like today. Tomorrow gotta be Wednesday. We're here Wednesday, and Thursday we are here around 9 p.m. because I go to the church, and after that I have to come out. Gotta go to church with my family, and I come out at 9, and now we can trade from 9 maybe to 11 p.m. So we invite you guys, to join us. Those who hasn't subscribed to our channel, you can go ahead and subscribe to our channel, so that every day we'll tune in here, you can be notified and turn the bell. Mesdames et messieurs, nous sommes là J'ai beaucoup parlé en anglais, mais j'ai oublié ceux de français. Je parle français. Bon, les questions que Ami a posées, j'ai essayé de répondre. La première était que pourquoi est-ce que j'ai choisi les 4 paires que voici sur l'écran. J'ai essayé d'expliquer parce que ces paires, premièrement, les premières paires sont d'abord les 2 paires Australie et le Japon. C'est parce que ce sont ces marchés qui sont ouverts. Et aussi, euh, les, les monnaies, c'est parce que ces monnaies dirigent le monde. Voilà. On parle de la monnaie anglaise, la monnaie américaine, bon, la monnaie européenne et australienne. Donc, ces monnaies dirigent le monde. C'est pour ça que j'ai placé ça sur mon écran et que j'utilise ça tous les jours. Et particulièrement parce que je n'ai pas assez de temps. Donc, j'utilise ce soir parce que c'est le seul temps que je peux trouver. Mais si Dieu le veut, à certain moment, nous pourrions commencer à trade en journée. La deuxième question était de savoir combien de temps je trade. Voilà, je lui ai dit, j'ai répondu que ça fait 5 ans que je trade. Alors, j'ai beaucoup d'expérience dans le trading, mais je ne me prononce pas être un trader professionnel. C'est la raison pour laquelle je suis ici, afin d'apprendre ensemble avec vous. Voilà. Troisième question, c'était est-ce que je peux me déclarer être un bon trader? J'ai dit non. Je ne suis pas encore un bon trader, je suis un apprenti, mais j'ai beaucoup d'expérience. Voilà. Parce que j'ai beaucoup d'éducation. Je suis allé à l'école du trading, j'ai cette éducation, cet arsenal, donc je suis en train de mettre ça en pratique petit à petit. Et j'y arriverai. Donc c'est ce que je suis en train d'expliquer en anglais. Voilà. Donc, it looked like we're going to have a breakout here, ladies and gentlemen. I was trying to explain in French because I spoke in English a lot. I forgot those in French. I tried to explain to them what I said in English because our channel is bilingual. Channel is bilingual. In the future, we're going to add maybe Spanish here. Why not other, language? Because I like that. I like that. Want to help a lot of people. There are many people who want to trade with us, but maybe they don't understand our language. So if it's possible that we can add more languages here, people who can speak multiple language and might join our chat room, because in the future we're going to we already even have a chat room. It's just because we're waiting the time, to join our chat room. People will be in the chat room and we can interact. In the meantime, we have our Discord, here, Discord link is there on the chat. You guys can take it. It doesn't expire. So we're building our own communities little by little. We'll go in there and things are going to be free here, free of charge, So you don't have to. That is why people have to take advantage, to learn how to trade for free. If you have your time, maybe a few hours, instead to sit in your couch and watch, you can still watch your show, but maybe you just take few time on that show and put it on trading. You won't regret it, because you have nothing to lose. You don't need money to learn how to trade. People pay a lot of money. I paid a lot of money. I can tell you. My first course I bought was $15,000. That was in 2014. Maybe it was like March or February 2020. I mean, I'm sorry, 2020. Because I started trading at the end of 2019, and now I deeply involved in trading in 2020, the beginning of the year. So my first course, that was even my second course, because my first course was was $160, the first one, and the second one now was 15,000. And since that day, I've been buying courses. I can't even count how much the dollar amount. Even today, I'm still buying courses. Even today, I just bought my recent course. I bought last, I think, 2 months, less than 2 months. I bought my recent course. It was for Forex. Yep, bought it. I'm keep buying courses, and those are the experience or the knowledge I'm sharing with you guys, free of charge. Free of charge. Yep, because that course was 15,000 because I have a mentorship program on it, 101 mentorship. It was a big trader in the world. You know, that guy is a very good trader. So I've been chasing good traders, you know, in the world, good traders, you know, to teach me how to trade. And they're not cheap, man. We hope one day we'll get there. We'll become bigger like other people too. Just small, we'll get there. So this trade now is doing a small pullback. I hope this pullback is to break here. You know, some kind of retest, a retest on the 200, you know, and then you're gonna break. I think that is what it's trying to do. Now it's 9 p.m. Eastern time. Now it's 9 p.m. Eastern time, and usually we close here at 10. You know, we launch at 7 or 6:45 Eastern time of New York, if you want to, because we're based in US, United States. Yeah, so it's almost 9, 2 minutes past 9 here, 9 Eastern time. So I think that this is a breakout we're going to have now. If we have a breakout here and we have a retest, I'm going to take it for long traders with Japanese in case. Oh, 3 a.m. That is late. That is, it's like Europe time. I mean, where are you located? Three a.m. is late, you know. 3 a.m. is late. Because you could have followed our program very well if we could have traded from in the morning, you know. Oh, Germany, I see. Oh, yeah, Germany. Yeah, the Europe. Europe is at 3 a.m. now. I see. Oh, Sorry to hear that. Sorry to hear that. Now we have a breakout. We have a retest here for US Japanese. So breakout as well as Euro GBP. Now I'm going to take a long for US Japanese here, ladies and gentlemen, and place my stop below here. I'm taking US Japanese for long, ladies and gentlemen, and placing my stop below this candle. You know, also I'm taking long Euro Japanese as well for long Euro Japanese. Hopefully we're going to have a continuation, traders. So I'm taking long US Japanese for long, and also Euro Japanese. I place my stop below here as well. Let's see if we're going to have a continuation, traders. Let's see if we have a continuation. US Japanese for long and Euro Japanese for long. Let's see, and I'm waiting to see in case I have GBP Japanese. If we break here, I'm going to take it for long as well. Hopefully, let's see if we have a continuation. US Japanese, Euro Japanese, and US Japanese for long. There gotta be a time when we will start trading during the day, you know, so that people in Europe might not, you know, go to bed late like right now. I'm sorry for that. You know, when our channel going to grow, we will now trade, you know, during the day, and people in Europe would trade you gotta be there maybe like afternoon. Let's see if we're going to have a continuation with Japanese. Watching. I took Euro Japanese and US Japanese for long. This is my entry point, green, and my stop is white. So let's see if we have a continuation. Watching with Japanese and Euro Japanese for long. GBP also, we need to wait and see how it behaves. When you take a trade like this one, the important thing is to see your risk, how much you're going to risk for the trade. Like here, I risk in here, I place my stop here, I place my other stop here. So I'm fine. So if this trade come down, I will wait. I won't lose more than this. That is good. You shouldn't, just enter the trade. You don't know where you're going to place your stop, because my target is far away. As you can see, I can place my target because this is open. Above is open. So when it start going up, my target is here. My target can be here on this resistance. This is almost more than 1-to-1. That is my target, 1-to-1, because this is my stop, this is my target. Great. Likewise here. Okay, I can place my target here. You see, my target can go up to this point. Even here, 1-to-1. That is my target. So if it doesn't work, I'm going to understand, and now I will get out of the trade. It will just take me what I risk. So that is how trading is about. If you keep doing what is good, in the long run, you're going to make it. Because you got to think about the future, not right away. So let's see how this trade is going to play. We might have a retest there. So I took long position, US Japanese and Euro Japanese here, traders. And if this one break here, I will also go long if we have a break. If you have a breakout here, I will go long as well. This one as well. If it break here, I go long. So yeah, if you break here, I'll go long as well. Watching, I'm on 2 trade now. US Japanese and Euro Japanese for long traders. We're moving in the right direction. We're moving in the good direction here. Let's see continuation up, and I'm waiting to see if GBP here going to break. Now I will also take it for long. Anyway, let's wait and see. We see now a pullback. I don't know if the reversal or just a simple pullback. Let's see. I'm in two trade now with Japanese, which broke, coming now to retest. Hopefully that is a retest. Watching now. Watching here. I'm in two trade for long. I stopped here. My second stop here, my target here, my target here. So let's see. Gonna get it. So it looked like we're having a reversal here. So let's wait and see confirmation. That is why it's recommended that when the trade break, we have to wait a little bit to see if you're gonna hold and start pulling away from the resistance. Why we have this kind of problem? One will get into the trade directly, it starts reversing. Need to wait and see. Approaching my stops. I'm here in two trade for long because I entered the trade because of this break. The trade break here. Keep continuing a little bit in a reverse. Next time, what we have to do, traders, let me put it here. This was the final resistance, because when you look at here, I can reduce it so that we can see that this was my resistance here. You can see here. So the trade came here and broke this level. It continued here. See, on the empty spot. So that is the reason why I entered the trade. But I had another problem here, which maybe I didn't see. I have this resistance here. So I entered the trade because I wanted to ride this trade up to here. That is what I wanted. But now you see how it pulled back now. So, but my stop is here, my entry point here, and my target is here. So this is still lack of volume in the market. That is what I can say, because when there is a volume, it might do what it's supposed to do. So let's see anyway if we're going to have a pull back to here. I'm going to climb back on the resistance. Let's see. Watching here. Let's see if we're gonna climb back up. Already climbed back almost with US Japanese. Watching US Japanese upside. It's great. So let's see. I want this one to break here as well. great. US Japanese is doing great. So let's see the continuation upside. Here is good for another long here. Take this one also. Still gotta be here. Let's see. I'm now in 3 trade for long GBP. I just joined, right now with GBP, Japanese, US Japanese, Euro Japanese for long. Everything it's going slowly. So let's see. Took also Osaka Japanese for long. My stop at this one gotta be here below. So let's see. So I have 4 trade now. Let's see. If it don't work, I'll be out of the trade. think those are my last trade of the evening. Don't work, I'll be out of the trade. Watching. I have 4 trade, ladies and gentlemen, for long. If it don't work, I will be out of the trade. My stop, all my trade have stops here, as you can see. So if it don't work, that's fine. I'll be out of the trade. So let's watch and see. It's almost 22 minutes to 10 p.m. Eastern Time. 22 minutes ici sur 22h-22. Trader. Je suis dans 4 trades maintenant. Je vais voir ce qu'ils vont faire. S'ils ne marchent pas, bon, je vais comprendre. Il n'y aura rien à faire. On va observer. Observe le trade. Observe la montée. Watching the reversal. Be back. Watching. watching 4 trade for long. With Japanese for long. With Japanese for long. Approaching strike Japanese, my stop. I'm almost out of strike Japanese with a loss. Trader, that trade doesn't want to work. Keep coming back. I'm stopped now out of strike Japanese. Trader with a loss. That's fine. So that is my first one of the, I'm on the 4. Give me out. So US Japanese still there. Let's see. Still in 3 trade. I'm still on 3 traders. I'm patient here. I'm waiting to see how those three going to behave. See how it's coming down now. So meaning that US Japanese doesn't have power to keep going up. I don't know, because we see a reversal. We're supposed to have an uptrend breaking here, the continuation, but it's hard. Look like we're not gonna get it. Need to see a break. Look like we're gonna get it, probably. Here as well. I'm taking long here to see. Maybe might be a good time. Let's go and see. Let's keep going. Keep going. Let's break. Let's see if we can break here, traders. Let's see if we can break. Great. Great. My target gotta be here. And my stop of this one. This is below this. So let's see. We're trying to break now on the GBP. Let's see. Let's see, trader. US Japanese. My target is there. 1-to-1. Watching. Great. GBP. Let's see. We're gonna keep pushing. Can keep pushing up. Let's see. Great. Want to see the break. Start to break. I'm on 4-3 now. I went back to Australia Japanese. Needed to break. Great. I want to start Japanese. I want the trade to break. We're here. This one as well. Here as well. So we need them to break. Watching. Great. Let's see. Can hit the target there on the Japanese and US Japanese. US Japanese is talking. Doesn't want to keep going. Great. You want up and reverse quickly. GBP. Let's see. Want the continuation. US Japanese was supposed to already get to the target. It looks like he's having trouble. Let's push and see. Almost 10 Eastern time. So none of my trade hit my target. So let me wait and see. It's a big red candle rejection. Let's see. Gotta wait and see. Even though it keep going to my target and pull back and trigger my stop, I will not give up. When I have my target, I put my target where you have to be. I will wait and see. Traders, that is my plan. I have to keep it. So let's see. That's my plan. If it doesn't want to trigger me, come down, I will accept it. Because you never know the trade, the good trade. You never know. Yeah, we never know. Sometimes you just do this, you pull back like this, red, you jump out. Whereas that is the time you will just pull him back. That is why you need to keep, your plan. Stick to your plan. Even though kick you out sometime, but now we say GBP or almost close to my trigger point, my target. Let's see, it's gonna trigger me with a profit. I'm here waiting, watching traders, Australia, Japanese. I want it to trigger my target. US Japanese also going a little bit closer to closer. Let's see. I'm sticking on my plan. I'm sticking there. Let me see. Let me see my plan if it's gonna work. At least two have to work. At least two. I don't wanna, Je vais voir mon plan, si ça peut marcher. Je vais voir si mon plan peut marcher. So Japanese almost okay. So Japanese trigger my target, which is beautiful, nice, Great. Now let's see US Japanese. You're going to trigger my target. Beautiful. So Japanese trigger my target. I'm waiting for US Japanese as well to trigger my target. Trigger. I'm waiting here to see. At least if US Japanese trigger my target, be fine. But the time was already gone. The time I used to stop trading. I can take this one because my time already gone, traders. I need to stop trading like this, but those 4 trade was nice. That is what I can say. I can take this. So I can stop here, ladies and gentlemen, because it's already 10 past. But I can say that those trade wasn't bad. You know, those last trade, the 4 trade I took. And today I am slightly up in green a little bit, but not nothing major. So it was a pleasure for me. I spent a nice time with you guys. It was very nice for me to spend time with you. I hope our community going to grow, you know, and I invite you guys to subscribe to our channel and share our video with those who need to learn how to trade for free of charge here with us. You know, who doesn't have possibility, you can join us for free every day here from 7 p.m. you know, Monday to Thursday. I mean Sunday to Thursday, 5 days a week. So we hope to be here tomorrow again, 7 p.m. you know, Eastern Time, ladies and gentlemen. Very grateful. Mesdames et messieurs, ça a été un plaisir pour moi d'être ici. Je vous remercie beaucoup pour ceux qui regardent nos programmes et nous espérons que demain nous serons encore ici. Nous sommes ici tous les jours, dimanche jusqu'à jeudi, à partir de 19h, temps de New York. Donc, nous allons vous quitter et nous vous disons merci et au revoir. Bye traders.